Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So this that good fish Friday. What we would call this fried fish Friday. So we have some chicken, drumsticks, shrimp, everything already clean. You know, we're gonna have some rice with it. So the rice is soaking right now. We have catfish fillet and cod, Pacific cod, if I'm not mistaken. But that's cod right there, catfish fillet. We also have some fries. So we'll get cooking right here in this Good Kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget, hit that like button. Appreciate you. Okay, so we have our fish right here. Everything packed, dried. 2 eggs. Some mustard. So this is our fish and shrimp. Season it up. We're gonna use some of this vinegar. Lemon pepper. And some surf and turkey. Now we'll mix everything in, and we're gonna let it sit, and then we'll get our flour together. Okay, so now we're gonna use our all-purpose flour. So that's 3 cups right there. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to use some breaded fish fry. A little something I had left. We're using the whole thing. There. And I'm using the rest of my New Orleans style fish fry. It's only a little bit in there. There we go right there. And we're gonna use the same seasoning. Surf and turf. Now remember the fish fry already have seasoning, so don't have to use some more seasoning. Vinegar. And lemon pepper. mix everything together like so. Okay, there we go right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put our gloves on. Okay, I got a catfish fillet right there. Add our shrimps. That's how we doing it. Okay, so we have our flour. We'll have our mixture on there. The flour, the fish fry, seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit for like 20 minutes. Then we'll start frying. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and test and see if this oil is ready. We'll add some flour, a little pinch of flour. Same thing for fries. It sizzled a little bit. So we'll wait probably like another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here. Look, see, that flour stick, all the mixture stick. That's what I love about Dutch oven. You don't have to worry about your food not cooking all the way. Because you know the Dutch oven, it holds a whole lot of heat. A whole lot of heat. Top on there, let it do its thing. Okay, so here go the shrimps right here. Looking good. Here go the fish. Regular fries. So here we go right here. Dinner is ready. Look at this. Now it's time to put this food on a good plate so we can close this video. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. The chicken I took off the plate, but we do have fried chicken fish Friday. I'm gonna put that back on there. So we have fried chicken fish Friday. Potatoes, the shrimp, our little dip. So we doing our thing right here in this good kitchen. Happy Friday to all my good family and friends out there. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all weekend. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell on notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Thanks. Fried chicken fish Friday.